Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA. Hello everyone. We are here out and about. We are going to attend my husband's son na meron siyang parang school activity yata. So yeah, kaya nandito kami, attend kami. Alam mo naman, we have to support them, mga lolo at lola. Lolo at lola, we need to be there. So yeah, ayan. Really typical Arizona landscape here guys. Desierto, oh my goodness. There you go. Oops, nandun na si Habi. Nilipat kasi niya yung kotse kasi doon sa pinarkingan namin ay hindi pala doon pwede. Justice Center. Oh my goodness. We have to be very careful here. Kaya nasa Justice Center tayo, may security pa dito. Baka tayo ay mapagalitan. Bawal mag-vlog-vlog. Alright, pasok na tayo sa loob. Oh, nice. Dito na tayo. There he is. Okay guys, tapos na nga yung mock trial, tapos na, kaya lumabas na kami ni Habi. Kaya yun, hindi tayo allowed na mag video sa loob, kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video ng ng proceedings. Kaya eto, lalayas na naman kami. Alright guys, hello again. If you made it here this long or enough, oh yan, may pupuntahan na naman tayo. Pupunta tayo, mag-grocery tayo, at saka meanwhile dahil miss ko na ito ang nag-crave ako ng Filipino food, kaya stop by muna tayo dito sa Filipino restaurant and we'll check out what they have here guys. Nag-crave na naman ako ng Filipino food, so let's go. Alright guys, nandito na tayo. Filipino food is waving. Wow, look at the trees here. Lahat sila ay they are all blooming, all the trees here. Wow, here's Nanay. Nanay, here we go. Wow, ang daming namumulaklak na mga oleanders dito guys, oh. Oleanders. Daming magagandang mga flowers dito guys, oh. Adelpha itong tawag sa amin. Pero dito sa Arizona, siya? Oleanders. Alright, tignan natin. natin dito kung anong makikita nating foods. Open daw sila, Filipino cuisine. Let's go! Ayan, nandito na tayo. So ito guys, nag-order ako. Yun. Oh, ganda dito. Alright guys, busog na ako, busog na. Alright guys, next naman ay next stop naman tayo. Yan, on the way na tayo doon. Sa next stop ay mag-grocery naman tayo. Ayan. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Lily's Asian Store. Yan, mag-shopping na tayo dito. Ayan o. Mango, langka, some of this. Some of them are losing claws. Oh, look at that guys, oh, balot. Balot. Oh wow. What is this? Is this duck egg? Oh my god, duck egg. So big. Huh.
Salted egg yolk.
Oh, salted? Oh, this is salted egg, like Philippine. Fresh flounder. Daming isda. Alright guys, tapos na ang ating pamimili doon sa grocery. Ngayon naman ay panibagong grocery na naman. Kasi meron kaming specific item na sa grocery lang ito talaga na ito namin na mabibili. Kaya doon, punta naman tayo doon. May gulay.
At the light, turn right onto North Price Road. Then keep left to merge onto State Route 101 Loop South.
Alright, Winco, here we come. Woo!
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Thank you, Siri. Good job, Siri boo. Oh, this is a big Winco. Oh wow, what are these? Spam. $368 each. Less sodium, regular, Spam light. Astaroni. So nandito na kami guys sa loob ng grocery. Ha?
You like those steamers?
Oh yeah. I like one of those.
The mixed veggies?
The bird's eye.
The bird's eye mixed veggies?
Yeah. Which one? Oh yeah.
Okay, these are the...
Dito pa rin tayo sa Winco. Ay wow, ang daming ano para sa mga doggies oh. Mga buto-buto nila oh. Let's get out of here. Finally, finish ang ating
Turn left onto West Willis Road.
ating grocery here dito. Here dito. Here dito. Ngayon ay pauwi na tayo guys. Alright, salamat sa mga nanonood
At the
dyan.
light, turn right onto South Arizona Avenue.
Ngayon ay pauwi na tayo.